Hello, my name is Bola Jatulahia. Right now, I want to discuss a social life about new student watching campus life. A student is vocation for people who are currently pursuing higher education, either universities or college, after taking high school, a vocational school education, or the equivalent. They continue to higher education by developing the knowledge they acquire in school and communities. However, not a few of them go on to college just to find their own fun and trends. Students step towards achieving something that are easy to achieve but by just learning various of obstacles that must be overcome while in the world the campus must have a good strategy and according to the teacher to start college, which easy to achieve without a sacrifice that is more. From taking time, taking to spend energy costs and so on. Of course, behind all that is a struggle to achieve dreams that we want to achieve during college because all of that is something valuable that must be paid. Developing knowledge in college, we must be able to adjust to the rules in the college in order to take part in the activities held by the campus. The behavior of the behavior mentioned need is a series of norm and ethic that contain the right and obligation of the student is acting and activities while in the campus environment. The behavior of the student must be in harmony with university's regulation and norm that apply on campus so that teaching and learning activities on campus can work properly. All universities must have their respective rules. The regulation was made to regulate the course of life in the college to be in line with the norms of the norms and apply in the area around the college. Then it can be confirmed that in each college has different regulation with other universities. This happened because each college make regulation that are in accordance with the norm and apply in the respective regions. Although the rules and different, but in the outline of having almost the same rules. Beginning to enter higher education, of course, we have to consider everything careful to enter which university, and in accordance with the major we want, there are many things that must be measured, such as campus mileage, accreditation as a campus accreditation of the design majors, and also the scholarship program that we can get at the university. However, all of that is still inferior to the student last choice, where they are chose to study without a major that they don't want just to unwind at the home or in short about lectures. The 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 early days of college we were a very enjoyable journey. When you become a new student, many new experience and new lives will feel when you were on campus. But over time, suddenly we will feel a point of saturation as long as you feel the lecture process. Many of them even chose to hang out and play games instead of having to participate in uh, teaching and learning activities in class, which is actually a pledge to develop our knowledge. There are times when we feel bored, so that it causes students not to uh, hesitate to violate the rules and norms that are set. Usually, boring lectures or killer lectures who often give assignment that can make that choose outside of class instead of participating in teaching and learning activities. New students are still so innocent in understanding the campus environment, even though all are still on track in obeying the existing regulation of the campus. Only a few defied from the campus rulers, even then they are former students. So college is not something we do blindly, but college is a process of shaping ourselves into what we want in the futures. So you have to have the right intention and goal when we go to college, because with that it will definitely have impact on the time we go to college process. Thank you.